everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make khoya today. In a microwave safe bowl, add in 1.5 cups of full fat milk powder. If full fat milk powder is unavailable, then you can use 1.5 cups of non-fat milk powder. While mixing, slowly add in 3/4 cup of evaporated milk. You can add full fat milk too. Evaporated milk will give the khoya authentic taste. Friends, if you'll be using non-fat milk powder, then add in a tablespoon full of ghee. The consistency of this mix should be like this. It should be pourable consistency. Cover this tightly with a plastic wrap. Poke few holes. Microwave this on high for 1.5 minutes. Friends, if you do not want to use the microwave, then you can steam this too for 6 minutes. Carefully remove the wrap. Give it a mix. Cover and microwave it again for 1.5 minutes. Carefully remove the wrap and give it a mix. Friends, be very careful. This is very hot. This is ready. Khoya is ready. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's quick video. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.